Okay, so today I want to respond to a question from Lucas Mesmo. He was asking about prepositions. So I've done a few videos on prepositions. It's an important part to the language. It's probably one of the most difficult parts of learning a language. And quite frankly, I think that's what separates a lot of advanced people from intermediate people. If you know your prepositions pretty well, it's a lot easier to sound natural. Whereas if you don't really know the prepositions, it kind of keeps you at that intermediate advanced level instead of at that highly advanced level. So I want to take a little bit of time to just look at a few prepositions. The questions he posted were about prepositions as far as if you say I'm in the bed, in the tree, or on the bus, right? Basically, if somebody said I'm on the bus, this is what that would look like. Like you are riding the bus. When I tell somebody like I'm on the phone and I'm like, hey, what are you up to? Oh, not too much. Okay, cool. I'm on the bus right now. It means that I am riding the bus. I'm not on top of it. That would be like on top of the bus. That would be I'm physically on top of the bus. But if I say I'm on the bus, it just means that I'm actually inside the bus or riding the bus. I'm currently using the bus as transportation. That would be me on the bus. And then talking about a tree, when you're in the tree, that's like monkeys they climb in the tree, or birds are in the tree. If I said I'm on the tree, that would probably be interpreted as like I'm on top of the tree, or I'm like sitting maybe on a tree branch or something. But if I'm in the tree, I'm like close to the trunk, in proximity. And then of course, if I'm around the tree, I'm in the general area. And then if I climbed up the tree, that would be like I'm climbing up a tree. So those are just a few more prepositions. Hopefully that's helpful, and that gives you an idea of how we use different prepositions, and gives you an idea of how to use them correctly. Let me know if you have any questions.